Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Mocha's World. So I've just purchased this CandidFree gut health support supplement. It's a 100% herbal formula with the main ingredient being oregano oil. It says here for rejuvenation of intestinal flora. Now, I've been having some digestive issues and some other issues. I tend to eat a lot of sweets sometimes, so that feeds Candida overgrowth in the gut. So I thought a cleanse was necessary. So this has 60 soft gels. It says take 1 capsule daily, preferably with meals. So I'm going to take the capsules and see what results I get. If along the way I see any noticeable changes, I'll record those as well. So I'm going to just open the container here. I've already broken the safety seal, and it's by the brand Zane Hellas. So it has some paperwork in there, just I think about the meds itself from the company. And this is just some physical and chemical properties, more information, certificate of analysis, just to show, I guess, some of the testing of the product. So a lot of information. So I'm going to open it. Let's see. There is a safety seal on the back as well, so let's pull that off. Okay, so there are gel tabs. I'm going to take 1 today. Yes, it says 1 per day, preferably with meals. So I'm going to take this now. And with a little glass of water here. And I'm going to eat something, and what I'll do is take it for the duration, and if I notice any changes along the way, I'll record those as well. Okay guys, so it's been about 56 days since I started taking this CandidFree oregano oil gel tablets. So my honest opinion is I do feel that it worked for me in the sense that my stomach issues, I feel like my gut balance is a little bit better. I've also incorporated more exercise and things like that, and drinking more water. So it's a combination of things really, but I think it's worth giving a try. I think anything that assists the gut to stay healthy or get well is a plus. So I do recommend it. I do suggest checking with your healthcare professionals before starting any regimen, just to make sure that this is appropriate for you. If you're interested in purchasing it to give it a try, I've included a link in the description section below the video. And if you decide to purchase it and try it, let me know how it works for you. Cheers to your good health. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.